Okay, what do we have today?
Voltage arcs are cool if you're designing a reactor to power a flying suit of armor, but they're not ideal if you need to de-energize equipment on a factory floor or other industrial setting. Molex's Woodhead ArcArrest 30 amp switch-rated connector offers the simplest, fastest way to confidently de-energize industrial equipment, protecting workers and saving lives. The connector body is constructed of 100% Velox materials that contain arcing during disconnection under load separation. Its rugged design protects workers from arc flash and electrical energy while they quickly cut power, and can instantly see that the equipment is de-energized and ready for lockout. The silver alloy contacts are furnace brazed for superior flatness and position accuracy compared to traditional flame brazing. Velox also offers improved dimensional stability over nylon-based connectors for a longer service life, and the connectors are laser labeled for permanency. Molex Woodhead ArcArrest connectors are Type 4X and IP69K rated and have integrated holes for lockout-tagout procedures.